Hi students, today let us finish the rest of the word problems of quadratic equation exercise 4.3. That is, it is about water taps. It is something like men and women working together like how we did in pair of linear equations. This is also a problem like taking for 1 hour. I'll explain to you. Here the question is given like two water taps can together fill a tank in 9 by 8 hours. The tap of the larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the tap smaller one to fill them. Obviously it happens. See, when the tap has more diameter, it takes less time to fill the tank. Is it right? So the tap of the larger diameter will take less time. It takes 10 hours less than the original pipe. Okay. And find the time taken by each tap can separately fill the tank. Okay. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. That is the question. What is find here? Let time taken by smaller diameter pipe to fill the tank is X hours. Time taken by larger diameter pipe to fill the tank, X minus 10 hours. Okay. Now, see, when you are doing something like work done, it is something like work done. When you are doing problems like work done, it is also when you take, we can't, the work done by both the taps together is given. It is filled in. That means, but individual things are not given. That means individual times are not given. Say individual times we are supposed to find it. But both together are filling the tank in some hours it is given. When it is a combined work, like how we did in the case of women and men working together, we have to extract it for 1 day or 1 hour because it is not a separate work, it is a combined work. When it is a combined work, we have to take it for 1 hour. In the same way, work done by smaller diameter pipe in 1 hour, 1 by X. Same the case of larger diameter pipe in 1 hour, 1 by X minus 10. Okay. Now, what is the combined time given? Two taps can fill a tank in 9 by 8 hours. Two taps can fill is equal to in 9 by 8. This is a combined time. Hours. That means that is converted into mixed fraction 75 by 8 hours. We have to convert this also for 1 hour. Work done by both the pipes in 1 hour is 8 by 75. Work done by, so this is for 1 hour, this is for 1 hour and this is for 1 hour. So work done by both the pipes in the sense 1 by X plus 1 by X minus 10. Why it is 8 by 75? 1 by 75 by 8 equal to 8 by 75. Now we have to solve this using quadratic equations. I'll solve this. Now look here. By taking the LCM, it happens like this. 2x minus 10 by x square minus 10x, 8 by 75. You take your maximum, you try to simplify the values. By taking 2 common, you can simplify the values like this. 8 by 75, 2 gets cancelled with 4. Cross multiplied, 75x minus 375 is equal to 4x square minus 40x. Bring all these terms to that side. So 4x square minus 115x plus 375 is equal to 0. Now factorize this using formula method or using anything, quadratic equation or factorization method. So how to factorize this? What are AC? A into C is 375 into 4. 312, 1500. 1500 we have to make it 115. Very simple. 4x square minus 100x minus 15x plus 375 is equal to 0. Take 4x common, x minus 25 minus 15 common, x minus. If you are not able to do using factorization, you can go with the formula method. So 4x minus, because in exam for word problem they won't ask you to do it in this way. You are supposed to solve the problem, that's it. Okay. Now 4x minus 15 is equal to 0, x equal to 15 by 4 or x equal to 25. X equal to 25 also. When x equal to 15 by 4, the other one is x minus 10, it is less than 10. You will get a negative 10. So we don't take this. So time taken by smaller diameter pipe is 25 hours. What is the time taken by larger diameter pipe? X minus 10, 25 minus 10, 15 hours. Okay, keep pausing the video and go back and check it again and again. Okay, now right guys, here the problem is of express train and passenger train. This is the data given. The express train is possessing 11 km per hour speed more than the passenger train. So I start with speed of the passenger train is x km per hour and speed of the express train is 11 km per hour. And they are traveling a certain distance. The distance is 132 kilometers. Okay, but the express train is moving 1 hour before than the passenger train. That is given in the question. The express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel the certain distance. So, see, before this, you should be very careful. This is very, very important. T minus T, because this is the difference in time. So, difference in the time is this is the bigger time and this is the smaller time. Which train takes more time? Which train takes more time? The passenger train takes more time. The express train takes less time. So, time means distance by speed. Speed of the passenger train, speed of the express train. So this is the thing. 132 by just we have taken according to the data. Now we solve this using factorization or also using the formula method. Now see, now this is the equation. When you cross multiply you get. Now the factors of minus 1452. 1452, how to do it I'll tell you. This is 132 into 11 clearly. 132 means I can write 11 into 12 into 11. So 11 into 4 into 3 into 11, 44 and 33. I think you can take this. One as plus and this one is minus. X square plus 44x minus 33x minus 1452 is 0. X into x plus 44 minus 33 into x plus 44 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 into x plus 44 is equal to 0. X minus 33 is equal to 0. X equal to 33 km per hour, because the other one will give negative, which we are not supposed to take. When x is 33 km, this is the time taken by passenger train. Now time by passenger train. What is the time taken by express train? It will be 33 plus 11, 44 km per hour. Okay, let's do one more problem. Now this problem is given something like the sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square and difference of their perimeters is given. See, there are two squares. Let us consider two squares with the sides, some one is x and one is y, or otherwise we take small one as y and big one as x. This will be bigger. What did they give? Difference of the area, sorry, sum of the areas is given. A1 plus A2 is 468. What is the area of first square? Y square plus x square is 468. Also given the difference of their perimeters. What is the perimeter of the square? This square, 4x minus 4y is given as 24. See, why I took 4x minus 4y, why I didn't take 4y minus 4x? First minus second I can take now. Because when the difference is given, you have to take like bigger minus smaller always. Okay? So, I took bigger square is x, so I took 4 common here. So that this value will be positive. It will not be negative. The difference is always a positive. Okay? Now, x minus y is 6. X equal to y plus 6. Now substitute this x value in the first equation. That is y square plus x square equal to 468. Y square plus x square is y plus 6 whole square. 468. Y square plus 12y plus 36 is 468. 2y square plus 12y minus 432 is 0. You can divide the whole thing by 2. So y square plus 6y minus 216 is equal to 0. So how to factorize this? 216 factors minus 216, I'll tell you. 216, this is 372. 3 into again 3. 24, 3 into 3 into again 3, 8 are, again 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 4. Now I think this is 18 and 12. 18 and 12 gives 6. So I take y square plus 18y minus 12y minus 216 is 0. Y into y plus 18 minus 12 into y plus 18 is 0. So y minus 12 into y plus 18 is 0. We don't take this because we get negative value. Y is equal to 12 meters because it is in meters, side of the square. Then what will be x? X is equal to y plus 6, that is 18 meters. 12 plus 6, 18 meters. Okay? In the next video, we'll go to the next topic of quadratic equations. All the best.